I'm Mike Hinderleiter for Deluxe Cleaning Products, and today I want to show you how Rust Remover Plus can clean up the rust stains from around a house or any property that gets rust from well water. Before I get started, put my safety gear on, and I'm going to pour my 1 gallon container Rust Remover Plus in this pump up sprayer. Okay, now that I got my sprayer pumped up, I'm going to start applying it to the surface. This is a pretty heavy coating of rust, so I'm going to saturate it pretty well. You can see the brick is already starting to show through there. This may even take a second application since it's so strong. And while that's sitting there, I'm going to apply a little bit to this air conditioning unit. Clean it up as well. Walk around. It's a painted surface, so as you can see, it's okay to put it on painted surfaces. We get this question a lot from contractors. How will it work on a painted surface? We'll let that set. And now I'm going to go over here and treat the siding on the side of this shed. Now you can see it's almost instantly coming off where it's not as thick. Now look at that brighten up. Back in behind this bush. Just makes such a big difference. You can see, because there's such a buildup here, we're going to need to put another coating on to get that off. I'm going to do another application here. Great product, Rust Remover Plus. If you're doing any kind of residential or commercial where you have rust stains, great add-on sale. You can get $1 to $2 a square foot, sometimes $5 a square foot. So now, as you can see, we're about 95 to 99%, depending on which one of these you look at, that's come clean with. I actually put 3 applications on it because it's such a heavy buildup of rust. This isn't the normal. Usually 1 application, maybe 2, gets it right off. But because it's so heavy, I want to have a great demo for people to see the possibilities of what you can do with rust removal. Which leads me into managing expectations for a customer if you sell a job like this. So you always want to say, hey, we can get 90, 95, maybe 100%. We'll just have to see when we apply the product. Last thing we got to do is rinse it off with a water hose. So I'm going to set my product down and give it a quick rinse. Rust Remover Plus from Deluxe, sold at Powerwash.com, or you can call Powerwash.com at 1-800-433-2113. There you go.